Hello students, welcome to today's session. So if you really want to crack the IS examination, first you need to understand that what are the mistakes made by the people or real the aspirants. Aspirants बहुत सारी गलतियां करते हैं जो उनको realize नहीं होता है in the beginning of 2 to 3 years of preparation. Remember, if you make mistake in the beginning 2 to 3 years, you will not get selected. That is something you need to understand. आपका selection का window 2 से 3 साल का ही होता है. So the first thing is lack of strategy and planning. If you are not planning, if you are failing to plan, that means you're planned to fail. आपको fail होना ही है. Planning is the key. If you fail to plan, are not going to get selected. That is the most common thing that you have to remember. Planning, strategy, process, these will decide the outcome. The second part is consistency. Majority aspirant consistent nahi hai. They study in silos. You need to understand the consistency. This is a long game. It's a marathon. You need to invest, let's say 5 hours every day. Do it for next 2 years. Consistently. 6 to 7 days, 6 days a week, आप इस consistent routine को follow करिए. Believe me, the outcome is going to be visible in real terms. But the first thing, 5% focus करिए अपनी strategy पे and 95% should be on the implementation. This 5% में consistency is also there. The third is lack of personalized preparation. Don't ape and copy the topper strategy. Topper की strategy copy मत करिए because that might not work for you. You need to understand every topper is different, every individual is different. उनका background अलग है, उनका thought process अलग है, उनका level of preparedness different है. So you can't copy the strategy. You can learn from the strategy and follow your own. So personalized means आपकी जो coaching है या फिर आप जो self study कर रहे हो उसमें एक personalized approach होना चाहिए. That is very important for people who want to get selected. And the fourth is FOMO. Too many sources. We live in an era of technology. बहुत सारे sources हैं and you tend to follow multiple sources for the same subject and you end up doing nothing. तो आपको यहाँ पे focus करना है limited sources, one standard book, one NCERT, primary sources, one newspaper. That's all. उसके beyond, if you have time, again you would not have time. आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर बनना है, नोट्स पीडीएफ एंड वीडियोस कलेक्टर नहीं बनना है. टेलीग्राम चैनल्स पे वीडियोस मिल जा रहे हैं, पीडीएफ्स मिल जा रहे हैं, टेस्ट पेपर्स मिल जा रहे हैं एंड यू एंड अप हैविंग मे बी hundreds of GBs of data, PDF, notes, test series. Believe me, this will not work. The fourth problem, or sorry, the last thing that students mostly have a problem is that they follow derived sources. Derived sources मतलब आपने toppers note को पढ़ लिया and you're following that. Make your own notes. आपको अपने notes बनाने पड़ेंगे. Limited notes बनाइए but effective बनाइए. Because what you study, you will internalize. From a topper strategy वो उनके notes हैं या फिर आप summary देखते हो या printed notes market से उठाते हो. These are not for primary sources. These are for secondary या value addition के लिए use कर सकते हो. उसमें से 2 या 4 point निकाल लोगे. But believe me, keep your sources limited and this will follow. So that is all. Remember this. Take care. God bless you.